Hi, this is TJ Muehleman from Standard Co. with a very brief tutorial on how to fix date time formatting in Excel. So whenever you're taking an Excel or CSV spreadsheet full of dates and you're going to import it into a database, one of the first things you want to do is format your date correctly. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of problems getting the date to go into the database as a date as opposed to a string. When a date goes into the database as a string, the problem you have is it's hard to do date time math. For example, I was born in 1977, which makes me old, but it also tells me that I'm 44 years old. If it's in as a date, you can do that date time math fairly easily. When it's in as a string, it becomes a lot more difficult. You have to do a lot of converting and a lot of casting of that string into a date to get the format that you want. So what I always tell people is to format your date in Excel before you import it into the database. So for example, I have here a column full of dates. And if I click here and go to custom, I can pick short date or long date. I always like to go custom because it lets me pick the format I want. I always like this. This is just very straightforward. Okay. Oh no, it didn't work. Normally this works, okay? Normally this would convert this column. For some reason, and I don't know why, but I know the solution, which is the point of this video. For some reason, Excel just ignores that command to customize, to custom format it. So the quick solution is to highlight your column and go to Data, go to Text to Columns, okay? And then basically you're gonna hit Next here. Okay, now you're on this screen, okay? You're on this Convert Text to Column Wizard, step 3 of 3. And right now, the column data format is a general format. You want to change this to date, okay? Month, day, year. And when I click Finish, notice how it just flipped it around to the year, month, day, day. This is the format we want. It is now a proper year format that will import nicely and seamlessly into your database. So again, the takeaway here is when you're importing data from CSV or Excel, you want to format your dates properly or else you're going to have a lot of problems down the road. Thanks so much.